Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Julia, aka The Mug Life. If this is your first time coming to my channel, welcome. If it's not your first time to my channel, welcome back. I'm really glad to have you guys. Be sure to hit the subscribe button, the like, comment. I would love to hear from you. I'm a brand new channel, so just starting out, having a lot of fun, DIYing, doing what I love, crafting, creating, and just having a lot of fun along the way. In this video, I am sharing my first fall craft that I did using blankets. Yes, I said blankets. They are the Dollar Tree Buffalo Check pattern that I used in a previous craft, which I will have linked down below. And I kept the square corners from this craft. I keep everything, and I just knew I could reuse it for something, even though I didn't know what I was going to reuse. So all you need is the project pieces I have listed below, and you can make this super fun and easy craft for your home all the way through Christmas time. So I hope you guys enjoy, and see you next time. For this craft, what you'll need is the Dollar Tree fleece blanket if you haven't already made a pillow from my previous craft, and you'll need twine and scissors. The first step that I did was take my corner pieces and make it into a banner. I used my fabric scissors and I lined all of them up, making the first one a template. And I did that 8 different times. I decided to use jute twine as my banner string. You could also use ribbon if that's what you have on hand, or you could use twine as well. I knotted both ends and figured out my center point and began from there. I flipped it over and I glued down with my hot glue gun, just a thin layer. Now, I don't recommend doing what I did. I did burn my fingers. Use something to push down, like a popsicle stick or something else to use, and press down the twine towards each fleece, and do that to your entire banner. And towards the end of my gluing, I realized I had these new beads I just got from the Dollar Tree, so I redid my knot and added them to my jute twine. So that's the little beads that you see. I didn't have to paint them since they already came in the bright colors that I thought would be perfect for fall, and I can switch out if I would like to for Christmas time colors as well. I also wanted to do 2 jute tassels, so I'm just making 2 tassels right here and knotting around. I think I did about 10 different loops around my hand, and then from there I added it to the end pieces. Now right here, I began stringing on my jute tassel to the end of my piece. And since I did 2 knots, it won't come off. And that just added a fun part to the banner that you don't have to do. It would be optional. And that's it, guys, for my 5-minute craft. I hope you enjoyed this really fun buffalo check print banner. Be sure to like and subscribe to my video and let me know how much you enjoyed this piece to decorate your home with. Thanks for watching.